Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Good Life channel. Here I am once again with another video. Today, we're going to talk about the Castles NFT game. A couple of days back, I posted a particular video in which I burned a Farmer's World chainsaw in return for this particular pack, the Peasant to Lord pack of the Castles NFT game, which includes 4 lands that is guaranteed 4 farmlands and a random land of a common, uncommon, or rare possibility, which can turn out to be a farm or a ranch or a village. So, in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and explain certain aspects of this particular game. I'm going to start playing this game, and I will also unpack this particular pack, and let's see what is the random card that I am going to get. And also, towards the end of the video, I will be I actually want to do a giveaway, and towards the end of the video I will tell you how you can participate in this particular giveaway. So with and let's see what is this game about. So let's go on to the game's website, that is metasourcecards.com. So once you go onto the website, it will look like this, and let's click on the starter's guide. So the starter's guide, in a nutshell, tells us what this game is all about. They also have the white paper. I'm not going to read out the white paper for you. Many YouTubers do that. They just go onto the white paper, just try to explain every aspect of the white paper. I'm not going to do that, though I will be touching certain important aspects. You can go onto the website and you can read the white paper yourself, which will be very beneficial for you if you intend to start playing this game. So what are the important aspects of this game? So section 1, it talks about the hourly earnings, and these are all the land NFTs that is available in this game that we need to play this game. So there is farm, there is ranch, village, town, city, and castle. And here we can see the amount of MSOs. MSOs is the token of the game, and here we can see the amount of MSOs each of these lands produce on an hourly basis. The farm produces 10 MSOs in an hour, ranch 30, village 90, town 270, city 810, and castle 2430. Aspect of merging is a very important part in this particular game. If you have farms, you can merge your farms in order to get a ranch. You can merge your ranch in order to get a village, and likewise move a step higher in the game. And the goal of the game is to get to this castle, is to have a castle, because castle produces something called the royal seal. The royal seal is going to play a very important part in this particular game, because it is going to be used for crafting and recharging and all of those aspects. So we will come to that in a while. So this is what the merge is about. So if you have 3 cards of the same land category, you can merge it to get a land in the next category. For example, if you have 3 farms, you can merge it to get a ranch. But there is also an additional aspect to the merge, and that is this. For example, when you merge a farm, there is a 60.4% chance that you will get a ranch in return, and there is a 36% chance that you will get a ranch plus another farm, and there is a 3.6% chance that you will get a ranch plus 2 farms. And every merge will cost some MSOs. To merge 3 farms, the cost is 2,160 MSOs. So that is about merging. And then they have something called price doubling. This is also very interesting. I believe that this is going to help in the inflation and price dumps that are very much prevalent in NFT gaming. So what happens over here is, after a certain amount of NFTs has been minted, the cost of minting that NFT is going to double. For example, after 500,000 farms have been minted, the cost of minting a farm is going to double. But the reward in the reward in MSOs is going to remain the same. So what happens is, it brings in this scarcity aspect in the game, and it keeps the value of the NFT, or drives up the value of the NFT, and it may also drive up or pump up the value of the token MSOs. This looks like something interesting. So, and then in section 4 we see that they have something called royals, and the royal that is introduced right now is the baron. And if you have a baron, what a baron does is, once a day the baron will mint, mostly a farm, or also probability is there, but a very low probability the baron can mint a ranch or a village. But a farm, for sure, once a day the baron can mint an extra land for us. And the baron has to be recharged on a weekly basis, and the recharge cost is a royal seal. I had just spoken about the royal seal. The royal seal is going to be an important aspect, and the royal seal is going to be produced in the castle. You can either buy the royal seal from the game, from Atomic Hub, or the royal seal, if you have a castle, the castle produces the royal seal on a day-to-day basis. The price of a royal seal is $5. So this is a very important aspect. If we can get to the castle and produce royal seals daily, that will make some money. So here is the castle. The castle crafts a royal seal daily, and it also has a weekly recharge cost of one royal seal. So it crafts 7 royal seals in a week, and we use one of that to recharge it in a week. So basically, this is what the game is about in a nutshell. But I would like to also just talk about this particular aspect called wonders. Wonders, you can read it on their white paper, and this is how they have put it forward. Wonders are one of the most exciting aspects of the castle's NFT economy. So what is these wonders? So they probably, wonders might be certain buildings that they will introduce, like the Royal Courthouse wonder. Now, in order to craft these wonders, there is going to be a certain cost in royal seals. And so 50% of the royal seal purchases in wax for that wonder will go to the Metasource game developers. Another 50% of the royal seal purchases in wax will go to the users holding bounties. Now, what are these bounties? So players can craft something called bounties, and it's for limited time. You just cannot keep crafting anytime you want. They might have a particular crafting event for crafting bounties. So players can craft bounties, and those who hold those wonder bounties, they will receive, every time royal seals are used in a wonder, they will get 50% of its value, royal seal value, in wax, not in MSOS, but in wax. That is going to be something very, very interesting. So, friends, that's basically about this game. And another important aspect of this game is, you do not have to come and keep clicking every 20 minutes, every 1 hour, every 5 hours. You don't have to come in. This is the most passive game that I have seen on the Wax blockchain or in NFT gaming. In fact, you just have to stake the NFTs in the game and it will just keep on earning MSOs for you. There is no clicking on these particular land cards except if you have a baron. If you have a baron, then you would have to come once a day to mint your farm or your ranch or village. And if you have a castle, once a day you need to come. Once in 24 hours you need to come to craft or mint the royal seal. Otherwise, there is no clicking to be done on the lands. It is completely passive, my dear friends. Now let's go in and let's unpack the land pack. So open. It's taking its time. Come on, do it quicker. Yes, approve. Okay, let's see. 3 farms, and what else? Will I get a village, a village, a village, a village? Why is it taking so long? So sorry, friends, after almost a lifetime of waiting, I have got my lands. Sorry, the reveal did not go the way it was supposed to, because Wax was going through some congestion and the page was just loading without the packs being revealed. After almost 1 hour of waiting, the cards, the NFT cards, the lands are here from the opening of the Peasant to the Lord pack, promo pack. So I'm so sad. I've got only 4 farms. The 3 guaranteed farms. I was hoping for a village or at least a ranch, but I have got the 4th one is also a farm. So 4 farms from the opening of the pack. Now let's go into the game and stake it into the game. Where is the game? Yes. Click play now. There, it's already staked into the game. I just didn't have to do anything. It just picked it up from my inventory. I have 4 farms right now, and it is producing. My 4 farms is producing 40 MSOs per hour. Let's see how much the 40 MSOs per hour is worth. Let's go on to the Alcor exchange. So 1 M source is worth 0.00059 wax. So it is 0.02 wax per hour into 24. So it is 0.5 wax per day. That is not much at all. It looks very little. The rewards are very little. So let's see how many days will my ROI take. Say it cost me 80 wax. The chainsaw that I burned, say it cost me 80 wax. So 80 divided by 0.56. It's going to take me 142 days to get my ROI in the current market scenario. That is a very long time to go, my friends. But taking into account that this game is absolutely passive, I will not have to come back again to do any sort of clicking. Only when I want to make a msource claim, I would have to hop in here. Otherwise, I really don't have to. If I can get my hands on a Baron, I hope it would be much better. But let's see how it goes from here. So that's what it is about this game, my dear friends. So what do you think about it? Does it have the potential? Will it moon, or will it go the other way? Let's wait and watch. So back to the giveaway. So I would like to give away one farm. I have 4 farms here. I would like to give away one farm to one lucky person. And how can you get into this giveaway competition? See, I'm trying to build a community here, a community on Discord. My channel has over 2,000 subscribers, but it has been a lifestyle channel, a how-to channel, a travel channel, all these months, and now I have started doing NFTs and NFT gaming and DeFi and crypto. So I would like to build a community, and for that I have created a Discord server. So if you want to be a part of this giveaway, the only thing that you need to do is you have to join my Discord. I will put the link in the description. Just join my Discord, and in the giveaways channel, you just type in your Vax ID, and if you are the lucky person, you can get this farm. So the giveaway event will start from the time I upload this video. From that time onwards for another 48 hours. From the time I upload the video, 48 hours. So in 48 hours, whoever joins my Discord and posts your Vax ID in the giveaway channel, you stand a chance to win this one farm of Castle NFT game. So that is all from me for today. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please do click on the subscribe button, the bell icon, so that you will be notified each time I post a video. Very soon, I will be posting a video on crypto farms. I have started playing crypto farms also. So very soon, I will be posting a review video about crypto farms. So until then, until the next video, take care and see you guys soon.